Hello everyone, welcome to another session of E-Tinker Weekend. It's me again, Mei Xuan.
And me, Annabelle. So as you can see today, we are quite far from the camera. That's because we are going to have a special guest. So you can see the chair here. Okay, so let's invite him in with drum roll.
Hi everyone.
So welcome Shah. Let's introduce yourself, okay?
Okay, I am Shah and I'm the person in charge of robotic programs in Penang Science Cluster.
Yes, so Shah today will be joining us for the E-Tinker Weekend session, and he will act as a kid. So he will follow us throughout the activity.
Yes, so let's see what are we going to do today, okay? So today we are going to do an experiment on optical inversion science.
Interesting. So as usual, we will also do the experiment with you. So please make sure to prepare all the materials together with you.
Okay, so without further ado, let's see what materials we need for today's activity. And
Yeah.
if you have any question, feel free to drop us a
Comment.
question and comments in the comment box below.
Yes.
Okay?
So the first material you need is glass container. This one is filled with water, but you can get a plastic container, basically an empty one. And then you need some water, okay, and some A4 paper. If you have a smaller one, it also can, yeah. And then some marker pens.
Yes.
So
Very
that's all for the
simple.
material.
Yeah. So before we start, we need to move all the things aside first.
Yes.
So we move this and this. Okay? Only left with this A4 paper. Okay?
Yes.
But today, since we have 3 persons, we are going to cut the A4 paper into 3 parts. Okay? So Shah will do this.
Yeah, the kid will do.
Yeah, so he will be cutting different
Sizes, I think at least three paper for us.
Wow.
Yes.
Same size.
I'm a kid today. I think 3 is too much for me. Gee.
So I throw one more for Shah. It will cut also. And it's better here.
You can have different size like this, small size.
Yeah,
is
if you have
also
origami
can.
There you
paper also
go.
can. Yeah, the back of the origami is white color, so you can use it, or some memo pads also can.
Yes, as long as it is a paper for you to draw.
Yes.
Yo, I got mine. So this extra we just put aside, okay?
And one more extra. I want 2 cans.
So he will
Yes.
take 2 or yeah. So the next step, you are going to take the marker pen. So grab one.
I want this.
I take this.
Okay. And then draw a drawing on this paper that is non-symmetrical. Okay?
I have a
So-
question.
Yes?
Yes.
What is non-symmetrical?
So what is non-symmetrical? Let me show you. So here, you can see there's actually 2 picture, right?
2 drawings.
2 drawings. One is on the top and one is the down there one.
So the
then
first
I'm
one
not
is
sure.
the arrow. The second one is the square or rectangle.
Yeah, there's actually a red color dotted line in the middle, but I'm not sure if you can see it. So, a non-symmetrical picture means that when you fold it in half, the left hand side and the right hand side is different. Whereas down there is a square, right? This square, when you flip it, the left hand side and the right hand side is the same.
Equal one.
So
Equal.
this is called a symmetrical drawings, whereas this arrow is called a non-symmetrical.
Yes.
So today we are going to draw a non-symmetrical one.
Yes.
Okay.
So that later when you do the experiment, it's rather easy to see the effect.
Yes.
So let's draw something. So what are you going to draw, Shah?
I want to draw a bubble teacup
Okay.
with
So-
a face on it.
So
I will draw
be
the easiest one.
Yeah. So I'll be drawing rather big and a bit, I think it's cute. I don't know.
Actually,
Rather hard one. Okay. So let's draw.
So you can draw anything you want.
Can use your imagination to draw, but you have to draw in a non-symmetrical
Non-symmetrical.
one.
easiest. So I'm drawing 2 arrows here. Ta-da! Draw more.
I think I want to draw one more.
So you can draw as many as you like, different things. You can draw fish, you can draw this house, non-symmetrical. You can draw a house, a cartoon house.
You can draw a trapezium, some shapes. Draw a peace sign.
Peace sign.
Yeah, peace sign is actually, if you flip, you can see the difference also.
Unless your fingers are same height now.
Oh no! It's going very bad. Look at this! The hand is too big. So I drew a Doraemon which is kind of a bit very funny Doraemon. The hand seems like it's gonna hit and then it's swollen into a big bun. And the leg is like too long. It's wearing McDonald's shoes. Okay, so I only draw one because I don't want to draw the second one.
Yay, I draw another one. The flower.
And this
Ding, ding, ding,
is my bubble cup. Bubble cup.
ding. Bubble
Bubble cup eh? What do you call
Bubble
this?
tea cup.
Bubble tea cup. I forgot
Yeah,
my tea,
bubble
sorry.
Okay, so the next step. Oh wait, let me
Okay,
open
so
this
now
up.
we're done.
So we now prepared our drawing already. So we put it aside. Okay. Now get your, what's this called?
Where is my container?
This is container. Okay, get your container.
Yeah,
and
so
also
Shah will
water.
use the smallest one because he's a kid today.
Today I am 10 years old kid.
Woohoo.
Okay, so this is your water. And
Okay,
this is
so
mine.
Yeah, so I don't need to pour any water because I already had some.
Yes, so what we are going to do is we are going to put in the water into the container.
Yes, fill out around 80% of it, or you can make it full.
I need a lot.
Okay,
I
so
think
the
I can
remaining
pour
one you can
every-
pour it to Mations there.
I belanja you today.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll make it
let's
full.
Put aside all the empty bottles.
Yeah, so now we have 3. Each of us get 1.
Okay,
So, next.
so next, take your drawings. Okay, so Shah will have one. Okay, now is the most exciting part of the experiment.
Yes.
Okay, so take a very good look
Start
look
from
closely onto the drawing. Okay, so now we are going to put this drawing behind the glass jar, not inside not inside behind behind the glass jar, and observe what happened. Okay, let's do it all together.
Is it?
Okay,
together.
yes, together. 3, 2, 1. Can you see the effect?
3.
Wait Okay,
Can you see your one
Yes,
is
sir.
half cup.
Half cup.
Half cup, half cup.
Half cup.
Yes, can you all see?
Yeah, so as you can see, okay, let's show them one by one. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll
Okay,
show
okay,
mine.
okay.
Okay, so my Doraemon now is this hand.
Ooh.
Okay, when it comes down, it becomes this hand.
Yay!
It's flip.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for mine one, yes, you can see the arrow is pointing that side. Yay. Okay. When it go down to the, oh my god. Okay.
It's going down.
It's going to that side already, pointing that
Yeah.
side.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, my straw.
So
Okay,
look at
so you guys
the
can see my
straw.
straw here. It's like
This,
that.
like that, like
Like
that.
that. When I go down,
Like that.
Can you all see? This is a bit small.
my bottle is today small.
Yeah.
Yeah, if cannot, you can use mine.
Yeah. You show the bigger one.
Wait,
So if you
Like
cannot
this.
see a clear picture when you put it
Like
behind,
this.
you adjust the distance between the paper and the glass container. So like this, you can move it further or closer, or you move you yourself and the glass jar. But for us, we are not moving the camera because this is a fixed
Fixed
position.
yeah.
So we will be moving the paper instead. Okay, so Shah have another one.
This is my name. So you can see my
In a
name is like Flip.
Style.
My name Flip, and then I put bring
Yeah,
my
so we also
then
made
I
a
can see my
e-Tinker
name.
Weekend name that is Flip. So
Then we go down.
and you will see it flip back and you can read
Yeah.
e-Tinker Weekend.
E-Tinker
Weekend.
Weekend. Okay, can see?
Yay!
Yeah. So
Hey,
while you are
I have a thought of something.
right,
This reminds me of a simple experiment I learned when I'm in primary school,
yes,
where teacher showed me like when you put your straw inside a cup in the water, the straw like bend, like become bigger or bend to the other side.
yes.
So let's explain this first, then we answer Shah's question.
Yeah. So while you are adjusting or you are trying out your experiment, let me tell you the science behind this one. Okay? When the light passes through from one medium to another medium, it will bend. This is what we call as refraction of light. Okay? Remember? Refraction of light.
Refraction.
So this is a picture, and the light will from here, it will pass through this container filled with water. So when the light path enter this another medium, it will actually bend. And when it leaves this container and water, it will bend again. So the light path actually crosses somewhere here and causes your picture to be flipped. So as what that Shah said just now, the straw going into the water, it bends a bit. It is just one refraction. It means that the light is just bent once. But for today's experiment, it's actually bent twice.
Yeah, so for you to have easier understanding, we printed
Take a look
something
picture.
out for you. Okay, so if we don't have this cylindrical glass container, if we draw the arrow up, you will see the arrow up, right?
Yeah.
But if we have the cylindrical glass container, when your arrow is here, so the light path move to the
Container.
flow past the container, it will bend in slightly, and then when it go out again, it bends more, which makes it have a focal point here, which is the cross, and then it allows you to see that the picture is actually flipped. So
Yes.
whatever is after the focal point is actually flip. So you can try with your drawing. So if you put directly close near, like stick towards the glass jar, it's actually the same picture, not flipping. But if you move behind, as it cross the
I need my
focal
straw.
point, so you can see it changes, it flips horizontally. So this characteristic is actually used in our spectacles. I'm the only one here wearing spectacles, and it's a convex lens, the one that we wear that because we cannot see far, and also magnifying glass and also prism.
Yes.
This is interesting.
Yay.
It looks simple, but when you know the science behind it, it makes us to try more. Feel like I want to draw more of different drawing and try different containers like aquarium maybe.
Yes.
Yes,
So today we already show you 3 different containers here. So in different size, where you can see the picture actually reflects refract differently, and the distance is also different. So you can try using different container size and try out with different drawings too.
Yeah, so I think that's all for our session today. Hope
Yes.
you enjoy our session today. So next week,
we won't be hosting E-Tinker Weekend because we are preparing for a new program. So stay tuned on our Facebook page to know more. Okay?
yeah, so we will let you know what we did in our new program the next time when we do the e-Tinker Weekend. So stay tuned and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Shah.
You did a great job today.
Next time you guys give me a bigger one.